I got a lot of questions from you like, Ma'am, ang galing mo naman, nakakatakot naman yung ginawa mo. Ikaw lang mag-isa, nag-DIY ka lahat. Direct employer, may assistance ba from them? Welcome to my US journey. How I did my 9 months process from passing NCLEX to flying to USA. May assistance ba talaga if you will be hired by a direct employer? The answer is yes. Before you watch this video, watch first my video that tackles about a direct employer. The link is at the top. Para you have an idea what really is a direct employer and how to apply for it. In this video, I will tackle about the assistance that we can get on every stage from a direct employer agency. Our first stage will be pre-employment stage. During this stage, yung mag-assist sa'yo is recruitment consultant. Here, they will pair you with direct employer hospital or facility. Our second stage will be the employment stage. This stage, yun yung time na na-hire na kayo ng direct employer, hospital or facility. So the one who will assist you is the staff support coordinator. So at this stage, they will be working with you closely on the collection of the remaining documents needed to process for your I-140. So our third stage will be the immigration and licensing stage. Here, the one who will assist you is the case specialist. They will work with you through the immigration and licensing process. Our fourth stage will be the English exam specialist, the one who will guide you. So they will work with you if needed to assist you with your English preparation and exam. And if ma-visa approved ka na, you will go on our fifth stage, which is the onboarding specialist. So they will be working with you to ensure your transition from Philippines to USA is as smooth as possible. So yung onboarding specialist, makakausap mo siya if visa approved ka na. They will call you, tatanungin ka kung ano yung target date mo to go here in the US para ma-fix nila yung susundo sa'yo sa airport. Sa airport, may concierge ka. Hindi ko na-meet yung onboarding specialist ko. We're just communicating through phone. Pwedeng magpasundo ka ng isang concierge. Sila yung mag-assist sa'yo from airport to your hotel. So yung concierge mo, gagamitin mo yon para maghanap ka ng apartment, mag-open ng bank account, at ano pang mga lakad mo. Thank you for watching mga KATHihik and hope this video will help you achieve your American dream. For those of you who have questions or yung may request na anong DIY video na gusto nyo, just comment down below or you can ask questions in my TikTok account.